Hello there guys, I'm Burbs from Redbox Recording Studio situated at Santiago, General Trias, Cavite. And today I'm not going to be playing a guitar, but what I'm going to do is to unbox a keyboard, a Kurzweil KP110. So without further ado, let's get it on. Okay, the unboxing is over, so I'll try to play some. Alright, so what do we have here? This is a 6-to-1 note synth with adjustable touch sensitive keys, 3 selectable response levels. Of course, there's an LCD. Alright, if you're gonna be seeing it, I'll try to. Okay, there you go. It has 128 voices, 653 expressive sounds, and general MIDI. You can split, it can be layered. Alright, there's also a transposition. It's also one of the feature of this. Okay, there's also effects like equalizer, reverb, and chorus. And auto accompaniment styles. Alright, so if you want to record, this is also an arranger. If you want to record, it's also good. It has 6 track and 10 user sound capacity. The sound system is 10 watts by 2 speakers, stereo sound system, and of course we have some audio outs, okay, like your jacks or regular jacks or PLs that you can use in the in or out, and then there's a mic in, and of course headphones. Alright, you can also do USB, and it's all at the back. Let me just go ahead and double check, and that's right, it's all at the back. Okay, so this is a Kurzweil KP110. I don't have a pedal yet. There's an assignable pedal that can be for sustain, start stop, or memory select. Pedals sold separately. So there you go. I thought I had one, but I can't see it. I can't find it. But so this is color white. I bought this at where did I bought this? Okay, at Lazer Dasma, Cavite, and it's they give me a good price for it. They gave me a Father's Day discount. Alright, so it's cool, and it's with the 12 volts 1000 mAh external power supply. Alright, this is around 11.7 pounds or 5.3 kilograms, and that's about it. So let me try to play some music on it. Alright, let's try. When we open it, let's try it. So let's put it in the half volume. Alright, and this is the grand piano. this is the first time that I had this kind of keyboard. The first one I had is a PSR 36 way back 1988, 89, and then was able to attach some other keyboards, and I think this is a good one. Alright, so after maybe a month or so, I'll post again a video about this and the experiences that I have with it. Alright, so everything is good, and thank you so much for watching. And of course, again, this is Burbs from Redbox Studio. Bye for now.